Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be solving a past paper question on the topic surface area, including concepts such as total surface area of combined shapes, surface area of circles, hemispheres, and cones. So let's get started. We'll be solving question number 23 from Paper 2 Variant 2 from May-June 2022. Here's question 23. The question says the diagram shows a solid metal shape made from a cone and a hemisphere, both with radius 6.2 centimeters. The total surface area of the solid shape is 600 centimeters squared. Calculate the slant height L of the cone. The surface area A of a sphere with radius r is AE equals to 4 pi r squared. The curved surface area A of a cone with radius r and slant height L is AE equals to pi into r into L. Now, before we begin, I'd like to explain a concept here that will help us understand the question better and how to answer it. As you can see, the total surface area of the shape given in the diagram is the curved surface area of the hemisphere plus the curved surface area of the cone. We are already given the formula for the curved surface area of the cone, which is pi into r into L. For the hemisphere, to find the curved surface area, we just take the half of the surface area of a sphere, which we are given in the question as 4 into pi r squared. This gives us 2 pi r squared. Note that taking the half of the surface area of a sphere only gives us the curved surface area of the hemisphere. So 2 pi r squared equals to the curved surface area of the hemisphere. The total surface area of a hemisphere is its curved surface area plus its circular base. For the circular base, the area is just the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. So adding the curved surface area of a hemisphere with its circular base, 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared, we get 3 pi r squared, which is the formula for the total surface area of a hemisphere. Similarly, the total surface area of a cone also includes its curved surface area plus its circular base. However, in this question, since we have to find the surface area of this shape from the outside only, we do not need the circular base area which the cone and hemisphere share here. This is because the circular base is not outside. Therefore, we only take the total external area of the shape. In other words, we only take the total area of the shape which is on its outside. This includes the curved surface area of the hemisphere plus the curved surface area of the cone. Now, for solving for the slant height L. We already know that the total surface area of the shape equals to the curved surface area of the hemisphere plus the curved surface area of the cone. So, we substitute respectively into the formula here. 600 for total surface area, a half into 4 pi r squared for the curved surface area of the hemisphere, and pi r L for the curved surface area of the cone. Then we substitute our value for the radius, which is 6.2. Now we solve for L. Simplifying, we multiply a half into 4 into pi into 6.2 squared. So we get 600 equals to 241.5256 and so on plus 6.2 pi L. Next, we subtract both sides by 241.5256 and so on and get 358.4743 and so on equals to 6.2 pi L. Then we divide both sides by 6.2 pi. This gives us 18.4041 and so on. Rounding to 3 significant figures, we get 18.4 equals to L. Therefore, our answer is L equals to 18.4 centimeters. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Please like and subscribe. For more videos on solved and explained past paper questions on various topics, please view the playlist. I'll be back with another video soon.